Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with in today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 6th, 2023. We have here in this additional seven extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonics. In Dutch they call it cyber block, in Japanese suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, first one I will solve is a Sudoku with 3 stars. Number 7049. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But usually the 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. This one has one more. So could be also a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if it's a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. Yeah, we have a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. And we have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in that these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Alright, 9, 9. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. 6, 6. Okay. Then 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Shoot me down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the third row is number 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. Here or there, we see an 8 in this column. Last column, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4, okay. 7. Need a 7 there, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright, we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, need 8 here. need a 4 here, 4 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the second column, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here for the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2, 3, 6, 3, 3. Well, thinking 1, 1, 1. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square number, so 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4. It goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 1, 1. 1 and 8. No, 8. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, and the 8. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in the third column. So no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. And 8 in that column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay. 1. Then, let me see. The 9 in the first column, the 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this last row, 9 in that row, so the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Then 1, 2, and the 6. How about a 7 now? Yeah, 7 and the 2. Come on. What's happening? 2 and 6. Well. 2, 6, and 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this third row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this first column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2, 3, 2, and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square one was the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 2 and 6, okay, and now 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, the 6, 2, and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the 5, no. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Made a mistake. 6, 6. This cannot be a 2. This should be a 6 then. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the only place level 6 should be here then. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1. 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 and 6, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one. And do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.